an unexpected encounter. Discover how they react when they see you with someone else. Recently, with the Six of Wands, I see that they saw you with someone else, maybe on social media profile, maybe somewhere else, maybe through somebody they got to know any information, but it tells me that there has been an unexpected counter or you guys ran into each other. Let's see. Hi guys, this is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. This is your timeless energy check. It doesn't matter whenever you're coming across this particular energy update. It is meant to find you when it is meant to find you. Let's see what are the current energies, what has happened in the past, and what is the future bringing in this particular connection. Think of your person right now, take their name, and hit the like button to connect with my energies and drop your person's zodiac sign to receive abundance in your love relationship. Let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings. Stick by the end till the end of this particular video, because I will be also suggesting a spell work basis this particular reading so that you can directly book it if this resonates with you. The very first card that came out is the Five of Pentacles. Of course, that was something that I saw coming already, and most of you, I feel, has been abandoned by the person. Your person has walked out, you walked out, they walked out. Something has majorly shifted in your connection. There seems to be loneliness, there seems to be abandonment issues. I see that somebody has walked over this particular connection. With the King of Cups, I do see that this person has a lot of emotions and a lot of love for you, but they are not showing it, they are not expressing it. But something tells me that there are uncontrolled emotions which are coming out on the surface, and this person seems to be overthinking about every possibility in this particular connection, which is leading them to regret their stance or they stand in this situation. Something has happened in the recent past. You said something to them, they said something to you, because of which there are chances that there is a breakup, there is a no contact situation, a separation that has taken place in this particular connection. You are consulting or watching this particular video, or you are consulting tarot card readers, healers, spiritual workers, astrologer, XYZ, but intuitively you are not able to gauge this particular situation where it is headed towards, and you are waiting and watching and observing where this particular connection is gonna go. And so is your person. There seems to be a lot of weight, lot of answers, lot of things which this person is also trying to gain clarity on. There seems to be a third party situation for very few of you, not all of you, but it seems that like right now there are a lot of fears, a lot of phobias that is surrounding this particular relationship, a lot of toxic habits, patterns which are getting repeated every now and then, and which is creating a lot of toxicity in this particular connection. You are at a very unknown place wherein you're not able to decide what exactly is going to happen in this particular connection. The world tells me that there is an ending, there is a negative phase which is going on. It will go on till 21st of August, post which from 22nd of August things may start improving, or from 21 days since the time whenever you come across this particular reading, 21 days from that particular day. But the negative cycle is going to end, because they will start seeing future with you. The confusion, the clutter, the phobias, the fears, that will automatically that will start getting eliminated, and they will see that the emotions, the loyalty actually lies with you in this particular connection. They have a very strong emotional connect with you, and they want to come forward, but they fear, what if you are upset or angry with them, and is this the right time to approach you? Is this the right time when they should reach out to you? With the Queen of Pentacles, I feel that they see you as somebody who brings a lot of grounded energy, stability, committed energy in their life, which grounds them, which brings them security, and they can't get over that. They can't get over that. They see you as somebody who can do it all. You're perfect in every sense. right? You're too good to be true. They want to come forward, but there seems to be a lot of delays. This particular connection, this person, if you've been asking, will come back, will reconcile, will connect with you, will unblock you or not? And the answer is absolutely, they are going to do that. It is going to take time, but it is going to come with a lot of delays, baggage, and roadblocks. Okay, there seems to be a new beginning here. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles, there seems to be a new beginning here. It is going to take time, because divine itself is playing a role, and this person is right now juggling in their thought process. What is it they need to do? What direction they need to choose? What is it that they need to decide in this particular connection? Because this person may have walked away, but I don't see a permanent breakup. I see they know that they have to work on themselves a lot to be deserving of you, to be worthy of you. And that is what they are thinking and recognizing within themselves, that to be in this relationship and to contribute and invest and to give in this relationship, they really need to step up. They really need to work. They really need to contribute. They really need to understand and connect with your needs as well. So I feel that they are regretting, they are trying to acknowledge, they are trying to work on themselves. Meanwhile, they are doing that. I do see that they are very confused. With the lovers, the passion, the attraction, the love is still there, and that is why they are still, and you are still stuck on them. You both have a lot of emotions attached with each other. You both love each other a lot. And with the Five of Swords and Six of Cups, I see that right now this person is acting out of ego, out of their pride, but they want to reconcile on their own terms and conditions. They want to have a life with you. They want to get married to you. They want to have family and kids with you, and they want to have that conversation with you, that clarity with you. Okay, and in the near future, they are going to receive that clarity. They are going to receive that practical they will reach to that particular practical decision. But till that time, I see sleepless nights for you and for them, both of you, going in a depression, full of anxiety. But this particular person is going to come forward towards you. I feel that they also fear of you moving on, because maybe you have started going out with friends, you may have started meeting people, or maybe you are on a social media platform, maybe on dating apps or XYZ, and they got to know about it. Okay, in case if nothing of that sort is happening, probably you are trying to overcome this situation by going out, and they are feeling as if you are moving on, and they saw you or some picture or some post or somebody said something or the other, but they feel that you are moving on. And when they saw that picture, something happened in their heart, and they went into a shell to think whatever they have to do, whatever action they have to take, they have to take it fast. They need to take the control, the charge of this particular relationship. They need to handle this particular relationship and take action very quickly. Otherwise, they may end up losing you, which they cannot afford to lose. Okay, so everything right now is up in the air. This is also a karmic connection. Until unless the karmic debts are not completely paid off, I don't see that stability coming in, which will happen automatically. Slowly and gradually, things will start progressing, and by the month of October, things will align for you, and it will be towards marriage, commitment, longevity of a relationship only. They may even send you a message. They are thinking about sending you a message. They may even send you a message pretty soon, because I see a very light-hearted, casual approach being taken towards you. And that casual approach will be to test waters, whether you respond in the same way, whether you are still open to receive their energy in your life, whether you are still open to be in this relationship. So they are stalking you, observing you, trying to get information on you. They are keeping tabs on you. Okay, to understand when is the right time when they can make that appearance. With the Seven of Cups there, whatever confusion that they have been feeling within themselves, they are now walking away from that, and now they are getting all geared up to put in those efforts which is required in the upcoming future. I will not be surprised if they ask you to catch up this weekend itself. Okay, so get ready, because many of you will get a call, many of you will get a message wherein they would want to meet you, see you. There will be a new passion and new hope that will get ignited in this particular situation. Maybe dealing with strong Aquarius, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very strong elements I see. Okay. And what is your advice and guidance? Let's see. What is the advice and guidance for my people who has liked and dropped a comment down below? Okay, so we have Three of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. I see that this person, is going to put in efforts to make things right between you and them. Do not block them. If you have blocked them, unblock them. Whatever stubbornness was there, you will also have to compromise and bend a bit, and then you both can work upon it. And this person is going to put in efforts as well. They are going to take fast paced action, because right now I see that you are in your own aura, in your own zone, wherein you are taking care of your own mental health. You are in your zone wherein you are doing a lot of self love, and you're focusing on yourself. I see Page of Pentacles. The message is about to come for a catch up. All right, so I see all good energies, guys. I do see a reunion happening, and in case if you want this thing to be faster in your life, then you can book a spell work with me. Just let me know whether this particular reading resonates with you and the situation. I would suggest the best spell. I would suggest 3 days mini love combo, 21 days mini love combo will do good in this particular situation. All right, and in case if you are looking for a one-on-one session, you can book one-on-one session. The links are mentioned down below. I will be happy to book a personalized tailored session for you. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that ASAP so that you don't miss out on the regular energy updates. I'm gonna see you later. Bye bye.